Boom! Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward, and I've been trading and investing, folks, about 15 years. And now all of a sudden, as you see, stock market going back down today, and all of a sudden, everybody's panicking. Everyone's freaking out again. Everyone thought the coast was clear, right? Everyone thought like, oh, that's it. The stock market crash was over. But then now the markets go down one day, and everyone's like, oh my God, no, it's not. Well, you've been listening to our live streams for the last week and a half. I've been telling you guys that we're going to break this 407 on the bottom end of this channel. We've been in a very clear, defined channel in the overall market now for about a week and a half. And I've been saying the entire time, I'm telling you, no, guys, I really do think that 407 is going to break. And I said, if you got over 416, 417 on the SPY, we could push it to 425. But I believe, and I've said it many, many, many times, that we're going to break 407 and you're going to see the SPY back underneath 400, and we're going to go back down into the 390s, and you're going to start to go down to Tesla's May lows. That's what we've been saying for the last week and a half. You got it today, and then people are acting surprised by it. I've been saying that move that you saw at the end of May was nothing more than a bear market rally, and now we are right back into the bear market activity, which is we're going to short bounces. This is where we as members of True Trading Group have absolutely dominated so far in 2022 because of this environment, because of this action, and teaching traders how to make money when the market goes down. Too many people just panic and freak out. They get scared when the markets go down. They see their long-term portfolios and their 401k balances go down. You don't have to just sit back and watch that take place. You can get in there. You can get educated. You can learn how to buy put options. You can learn how to short stocks. You can learn how to buy inverse ETFs that actually go up when markets go down so that you can make money when the markets go down. And then you use that money, you use that profit to then buy stocks that are down in your long-term portfolio. You better get your shopping list ready because I've been telling you guys that a long-term wealth building opportunity has been right in front of your face. And a lot of people couldn't see that over the last week and a half. Now, all of a sudden, their eyeballs are starting to pop open again. And I've been telling you this for a while. I already added 9 stocks to my long-term portfolio. My TC fam has that list. But I'm getting ready to buy a hell of a lot more stuff over the next couple of weeks as the markets, I think, take another leg to the downside. Now, the question is, are you going to be ready to do the exact same? Or are you going to be too busy panicking and freaking out and sweating? That's what you got to really ask yourselves. Now, guys, I began my career working at a fund in New York City. It was actually my first job right out of college. And then 2008 happened. And that was the greatest stock market crash of my lifetime. Okay. And was also the same year, though, that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Okay. For those that have been hesitant to join True Trading Group, I hope that the $1,200 was worth this missed opportunity. That's all I'm going to say to you. Okay. For everyone that if you've been hesitant to join True Trading Group, I hope that it was worth the missed opportunity. And that's really how you guys really have to start looking at things. So the last time that we had 2008, that was the greatest stock market crash, the Great Recession. Markets went down 55%, right? The same year I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. We thrive in this environment, folks, and then take advantage when the dust settles to add to the long-term portfolio. Now, 15 years later, I'm the co-founder and head trader at True Trading Group, the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that is available for retail traders today. And since 2016, my team of 8 other professional trading mods and myself have helped thousands of people from all over the world, from all walks of life, achieve their goals. If you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. Take a moment, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share the stream on your own social media. Let's reach out and educate and empower as many retail investors as we possibly can. All right, I come on here day after day, night after night, and tell you guys all that no matter what's going on in the stock market, there are opportunities here inside of True Trading Group. We teach how to find these opportunities, how to profit from these opportunities. And we do a lot of that heavy lifting here for you guys. For all my members and trial members, I cannot stress how important it is that you are in chat or on our mobile app tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. We are going to get CPI data. That's going to be our first look at inflation to see, did inflation actually peak from last month into May? Did it peak from April into May? Was April the peak of inflation? We are about to get that answer tomorrow. But inflation peaking is not enough. And I've been saying this for days. Everyone's talking about, oh, inflation peaked. Let's go. Market's going higher. Inflation peaked. Now I'm telling you, it doesn't matter if inflation peaked. Yes, inflation will peak. Inflation is a rate of change. It is not a price. Okay. Inflation is a rate of change. So just because the rate of change has peaked does not mean that inflation is not still here and that inflation is not still high and that inflation would not still necessarily be a problem. Everybody is scared of a recession and an economic slowdown. You want to recession proof, okay, your life, like learn how to trade and profit consistently, and you control your own destiny, not the Fed, not your boss, not no one besides you. Because no matter what's going on in the world, whether there's a recession or your company's laying people off, the stock market is always going to be open. And there will always be opportunities in that market if you are able to identify them. And that is our job. That is what we thrive to do or strive to do in True Trading Group. Okay. Now, this is exactly what's going on here today. And this is what we've been talking about now for a while. And I get a lot of pushback from people. I get pushback from people for the last week and a half when I've been saying these things. But then all of a sudden, a day like today happens, and all those people that were giving me pushback, where are they? I don't know where those people are. On Tuesday, looked like the markets were going to go higher. I still said the exact same thing. Nope, I think the markets go lower. But now all of a sudden, the people that were giving me pushback on Tuesday because they see one green candle on a chart, and that all of a sudden changes their entire perspective and changes their opinion. Not experienced traders that have been through this stuff before. I'm not going to change my thesis. I'm not going to change my opinion because of one candle on a chart. Okay. 1 year from now, if we're in a recession, you want to be home panicking, or do you want to be in control in the driver's seat? Do you want to roll the dice on some BS stocks and social media advice that you get on Reddit from someone that you never even met a day in your life? Or you want to actually roll the dice on yourself? If you're not, then this is not for you. Because True Trading Group, I'm going to teach you guys how to actually identify these opportunities and then have the confidence to pull the trigger when you find them. If all you're looking for is to just find somebody on Reddit that's got a lot of followers on Twitter and say, oh, Mambo Jam's kitty cat told me I should hold this stock to the moon and hold on for dear life because we're going to go to the moon. If that's all that you were looking for, then this is not for you. True Trading Group is not for you. But if you're looking to actually get yourself an education to where you can take control of your own life, regardless of what's going on in the economy or in the stock market, so that you can provide yourself and your family with a little bit more stability and reach financial goals that you never thought were possible, then yes, then this is for you. And TTG's platform is for you, because I'm not only going to give you the same level of education that I received working at a fund in New York, but I'm also going to give you access to the same tools that a lot of professional and successful traders use that help them make better decisions. That is the TTG platform. Okay. And that is why we have created this platform to help level the playing field for retail traders and investors. We got a lot to go over here today on this live. We got a lot to unpack. You know, it's funny how people think that, oh, that's it, the bear market's over because the market went up for a couple of days and then didn't go back down. And all of a sudden you get one red day. And now everybody is running around with their hair on fire. There's no reason for you to be running around with your hair on fire. I'm running around, and my TTG family are running around. We're running around naked down the street, you know, drinking champagne and having fun because I'm excited for what's taking place, because we've been telling you that you're going to get another leg down in the market, that you're not out of the woods yet, but that's nothing to be fearful of. That's something to be excited about, because that move to the downside provides us as active traders, day traders and swing traders, provides us with tremendous opportunity to be able to actually profit on the way down. Now, a lot of people might be watching this like, what is this guy talking about? How do you make money when the markets go down? There's plenty of ways, and we're going to show you that. We're going to show you how to buy put options. We're going to show you how to short stocks. We're going to show you what inverse ETFs are out there that you can buy that actually go up when the market goes down. There's a lot of different ways you can make money when the markets go down. And then when the markets do go down, we're going to take that profit and then we're going to stuff it into our long-term portfolio in a list of companies that I believe can provide tremendous wealth building potential for you, your families, for the next 3, 5, 7, 10, 15 years to come. And then you look back on a time like this, like you look back throughout history, the market's only gone down more than 20% a handful of times throughout history. And every single one of those times, every single one, this is literally the only thing about the stock market that has ever happened 100% of the time. And that is, every single time the stock market's gone down 20% or more, it has proven to be a tremendous wealth building opportunity for educated investors that have the wherewithal to identify and understand the opportunity when it was before their eyes. Too many people that are not educated, that don't know what to look for, they get very scared when an opportunity presents itself, because opportunity in the stock market looks scary. Because what an opportunity is in the stock market is when prices go down. When prices go down in the stock market, it's scary because everything is red. Everyone's freaking out on TV, stock market crash, bloodbath. These are all the things that you see. But when you walk into an electronics store to buy a new TV, you see, flailing arm, inflatable, blow up people. You see flashing green signs that say deal, deal, sale, sale. Everyone's excited and you see all these fun commercials on TV. There's confetti everywhere. It's very fun and exciting when you see a sale at an electronics store. It's not scary, but opportunity in the stock market looks and feels scary. But then you look back, you look back a year, 2 years after the fact, and you're like, man, what an opportunity that actually was. I wish I pulled the trigger. I wish I bought. How many people on this live stream look back during the 2020 crash and say, I wish I bought. I wish. Well, now here you are with another similar type scenario, not similar in the fact of just similar in the sense that the markets have gone down. But now everyone is freaking out and they're scared. How quickly we forget how envious you were in 2021 of people that bought in 2020. How quickly you forget how envious you were. What do you think is going to happen in 2023, 2024, 2025? Do you think that the people in 2024 are going to be envious of the people that bought during 2022? Because I sure as hell do believe so. And that's what I'm preparing myself, my own money, and that's what I'm preparing my THD family for. That opportunity that we're going to have right before our eyes. And it's happening. It's happening right now. And I've been telling you guys that this is coming. And now it's time to actually put up, shut up, and get ready to actually take advantage of it. We're going to start this live stream off with a Q&A session first. I'm going to allow for some time for people to come on. You guys can ask me questions. We also have a huge announcement that I want to make. I'm actually going to bring Adam, who's my business partner and co-founder, on. He's going to come on this live stream. He's going to help me make this big announcement with me, so we can share this announcement with you guys. We got a big announcement here today. And then we're going to do a Q&A session. You guys can ask me a bunch of questions. And then we're going to get into CPI data. We're getting into how we made some money today. 2 for 2 today, guys. 2 really great trades. Tesla, AERC. That's where I made my money today. We also had some really good trade ideas from yesterday. I shared them with you guys today or yesterday on the live stream about some trade ideas you can look for coming into the day today. They all panned out very beautifully. So really, really great trading day in chat. Also, a lot of the other moderators caught some really nice wins today. Very, very happy, very proud with a lot of the trading that took place today inside the True Trading Group. So we're going to get into all that. We're going to talk about what to expect tomorrow with CPI. And I'm going to tell you what my game plan is, how I'm going to make money tomorrow. And then we'll talk about everything that we can look for after that CPI data comes out. Okay. So folks, without any further ado, let's go ahead and begin typing your questions in chat. Okay. Begin typing questions in chat, and then I'll bring Adam on, and then we'll do the Q&A session and we'll make the big announcement. All right, folks, I'm going to go ahead. We're going to bring on Adam. So for those who don't know, Adam is my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group. There he is.
I feel like such a schlep.
Why?
I don't know. My hair's not brushed. I didn't put on my toupee.
You look great. Don't worry about any of that.
Aw, Mike. I love you.
All right, man. Let's go. Big announcement. We got.
All right. Big announcement. Big announcement. Listen up. So, 2 pieces of information that I got to give you guys. First one, on Thursday, Mike, what do we usually do on Thursday? Go ahead.
Tell us. Thursday, we usually do small private study groups.
What is a small private study group, Mike?
Every Thursday on the THD platform, one of our 9 professional trading moderators will host a 2-hour study session where they do a presentation live with members. It's interactive, where they cover specific topics. Okay, where they cover some specific topics. It's every single Thursday on the THG platform.
Okay, so, and members, when they sign up, they get 2 of these per year. Okay, now, and that's in an effort to keep it small, right? So what we are going to do today, we had a great idea this morning. So every morning we've been meeting all the mods, and we were talking, we're always talking about ways to improve True Trading Group and how we can improve stuff for our members. So one of the things that we decided to do today was, immediately following this live stream, okay, immediately following this live stream for all TTG members and trial members. Again, for all TTG members and trial members, we are going to be hosting, this is a two-part announcement. This is the first part. We are going to be hosting a live open workshop for 2 hours where TTG Pro Trading Moderator Momin, who is the king of advanced option strategies, is going to be hosting this workshop for you tonight with a focus on how to use advanced option strategies to thrive in a sideways or consolidating market. This is going to be completely open. You do not need to register. It's not going to cost any one of your tokens. It's not going to, you don't need to register. You don't need to do anything. All you have to do is be in the main chat room tonight between 6 and 6:15. And yes, it will be recorded. And so if you can't make it, it will be recorded and available to all members the next day. Okay? If you have been struggling in this sideways market, you owe it to yourself to be a part of this workshop tonight. It is free. It is open. Be there.
Yeah. I know firsthand. I know firsthand. A lot of traders really struggled during the last like 7-8 trading days as the market was going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And what did Momin do? Momin threw on an iron condor, which will allow you guys to be able to make money.
The guy is he's like Rain Man. I've never seen anything like it. He is literally like Rain Man for options.
Yeah, guys. So Momin's going to go over with you guys. You know, and
Momin is the guy you defer to for advanced option strategies.
Yes, literally, yes, fact. So a lot of like, you know, and this is someone, so like I don't do a lot of multi-leg option strategies like credit spreads and iron condors and butterflies and all these other advanced option trades. I don't really trade those. I'm just more of a directional option trader. Like I trade equities, but I'm saying when I trade options, I'll just do basically a directional call or a directional put. If I have a situation where I want to do a spread or I want to do something more advanced, this guy, Momin, is the guy that I literally will go to, that I ask questions about this kind of stuff. So this is a workshop that you guys do not want to miss. If you struggled during the last week and a half, learning this strategy can really help you guys for moments in the future when markets or individual stocks go into sideways consolidation phases. You can make money from a stock going sideways, and Momin's going to show you how immediately following this live stream, 6:15, okay, inside of the True Trading Group chat room. It's open for everybody, members and trial members alike.
Right. All you have to do, so here's what's going to happen. I am going to open, the chat room is closed right now. I am going to open the chat room at 6 p.m. Eastern. That is the main chat room. If you're a trial member, if you're an annual member, you'll be able to log in, no problem. Okay. All you have to do is log in. There's literally nothing else that you have to do. This will be considered advanced, but I'm sure there's going to be things to be revisited here too. So I would do yourself a favor. And again, if you've been frustrated and struggling trading a sideways market the last week and a half, 2 weeks, this is the workshop you want to attend. It's a tool you can put in your tool belt. Okay? Don't sit around and wait for somebody to give you an alert. Learn how to do this yourself. Tonight is the night where we're doing this for you guys. Okay? That's part one. Second part is, Mike, can you do it? I sent you a message. Okay, then it'll just be me. It'll just be me, but it'll be worth it. Or Mike, you could pop in and say hello.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Part 2 of the announcement immediately follow. So Momin's workshop is going to be from 6:15 to 8:15. Okay, 6:15 to 8:15. Immediately following Momin's workshop, I am going to host with Mike. Mike will try and make it. I'm sure he'll pop in for a minute.
Yeah, I'll pop in, guys.
All members and trial members are invited to attend a very special open town hall. we are going to be bringing a big tool to True Trading Group starting immediately. All right. And somebody goes, why rich guys have low budget camera? Because just because we're rich doesn't mean that we're tech savvy. But you know what? I'll drive to Best Buy and pick up a camera, Sam. I'm sorry, Mike. I know you hate that, but figured I might as well throw it in.
I was just trying to figure out what time it was.
Oh, can you tell me the time? Doesn't mean we're good with tech, bro. We're new at this. We know how to make money and trade. Nobody said we know how to set up, audio visual equipment. Anyways, we're doing the best we can. We're trying to help you.
I'm not making a Netflix film. I'm trying to teach people how to make money in this market.
So, anyways, moving on, we're going to be announcing a very special tool that we're bringing to True Trading Group. And this isn't a tool that needs to be developed. It's developed, and it is launching immediately. And this is going to be pertaining to the psychology of trading, right? The psychological. Mike, how important is psychology when it comes to trading?
It's the single most important aspect.
If you had to say, give it a percentage, what part of True
minimum 80.
Okay. So True Trading Group, we have a killer trader psychology course and courses. What we are about to bring you guys tonight is huge. We will make the announcement, we will record it, and then we will announce it again tomorrow. Okay? Look, definitely stay tuned after Moments Workshop for that open town hall. Yeah, Mike.
Wow.
Yeah, God, I want to.
I'm also getting the details of this kind of like right now live. So just so we're all clear. Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
How big is that?
Very cool. Very cool. Very cool.
I'm telling you.
Oh, this is so awesome. Oh, I can't wait to tell everybody this.
This will be in the main chat immediately following Moments Workshop. No, it's not cat litter. It's popcorn. Make me sound like a crazy cat, but it's just mini cakes.
Just mini cakes. So we got a whole onslaught of announcements. So you got Moments Study Group at 6:15, which is something you all have to attend if you want to learn how to make money when the market's going sideways. But then immediately after that, and I'm going to pop into this. I've got somewhere that I got to be later tonight, so I might not be there for the whole thing, but I'm going to pop in later tonight as well in the main chat for this second part of the announcement. This is a new feature and a new tool and resource that we are bringing to the TeachD platform for all of you. And it's something that I think you are going to absolutely be.
I don't even need to guess. This is something that is so far and above beyond just learning how to trade. Yeah. You guys, I know for a fact that there is not one person at True Trading Group that is going to do anything but just be absolutely effing floored by what we announce in that town hall meeting.
Yeah. That's going to be pretty badass. I'm really excited.
So Angel Rain goes, I bet your wives are really happy you tease so much. My wife might be watching. I'm not going to make a comment.
My wife's very happy.
All right, cool. And let me put it to you this way. Everyone knows we're working on a lot of different indicators and new scanners. That's not what this is.
Yeah, this
is 10 times better than that. 10 times better than that. This is something that will separate True Trading Group beyond anything else that's already out there. I'm very excited to bring this to you guys.
Yeah. Awesome.
So that'll be right after Moments Workshop in the same room. So you won't have to go anywhere. You just stay put. Yeah. Okay? Damn, Ted just Ted. You see his comment?
I did.
No, that's not true. Shut up. What a dick.
Shut up, Ted.
Shut up, Ted. Somebody block Ted. All right,
No,
cool.
Don't block Ted. Dude, Ted is a member. He's a really great guy. Don't block Ted.
No, I know. I'm joking. All right, cool. All right, awesome. All right, guys, that's it. I will let Mike run with it now. If you were on the live stream waiting for the announcement, those were the two announcements. I'll quickly recap. All members and trial members are invited to a live workshop, a 2-hour workshop in the main chat room tonight, 6:15 to 8:15 p.m. It will be recorded. Momin, our pro trading moderator at TTG, one of the other pro mods, is hosting a 2-hour-long workshop on how to use advanced trading strategies to thrive in a consolidating or sideways market. Then immediately following that at 8:30 in the main chat room, we are having a huge town hall hosted by Mike and myself. All right. Town hall is the name of the meeting.
It's in the main chat.
In the main chat room. All right. It's in the main chat room, but it's called a town hall meeting.
Right.
Because it's open. All right. Excellent, Mike. Let's get to the Q&A.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's get to the Q&A. So, folks, there's our announcements that we want to make. We want to share with you guys here today. Now I want to get into the Q&A session. Fire away. I'm sure you guys have a ton of stuff that you probably want to ask me, especially after a day like today, especially leading into a day like tomorrow, which is going to be so important to where this market goes. We are about to get so much information that the market's going to have to digest. Inflation data, the Fed raising interest rates, quantitative tightening. There's so much about to take place. We got to talk about it. So go ahead, folks. Begin typing your questions in chat right now. There's no such thing as a stupid question. There is no such thing as a silly question. Do not be shy. Do not be embarrassed. Asking questions is how you all learn. So without any further ado, folks, let's go ahead right now. Let's begin the Q&A. Start typing questions in chat and fire away. Let's do it. Should have me. Oh. Can you explain about the CPI data and market sentiment tomorrow? I sure can. CPI data is the consumer price index. Okay, for those that don't know what it is, it tracks the percentage increase or decrease, increase right now, of the cost of goods and services that consumers buy. Okay, like real estate, used cars, food, gasoline, right? Energy, all of those go into CPI. Those are things that consumers buy. Okay, that is what the CPI index measures. We're going to get that number tomorrow. I expect tomorrow's number to actually come kind of in line with expectations, which will kind of feed into the theory that inflation has peaked, because I actually do believe inflation has peaked, but that doesn't mean that I think inflation is coming down, because I don't believe inflation is coming down as quickly as people would like it to, because you still have areas of inflation, which are huge parts of inflation, like energy and food, where prices are still going higher. So even though you have things like housing prices are coming down, used car prices are really coming down, you also have other areas of inflation that are still going up. And that's going to keep inflation in general sticky. It's going to keep it elevated for a little while. So I believe you're going to get a number that comes in tomorrow that shows you it's peaked, but it looks like inflation is sticky. And then I believe that the market sentiment is still going to be negative. It's still going to be bearish because of how aggressive the Federal Reserve is going to still have to be to fight inflation. And then you're going to get a rate hike from the Federal Reserve, 50 basis points next week. That's my thoughts. I think you get a 50 basis point hike from the Fed next week. And then you're going to get a speech from Jerome Powell that is going to insinuate that they are going to remain very aggressive and that their number one goal is to bring inflation down, or they're going to do whatever they have to do to bring it down. And that means a very hawkish and a very tight Fed. And that's not necessarily good for equities in the short term. It will be good for equities in the long term. And that creates volatility for us in the near term, meaning the markets continue to move to the downside. I'm going to look to short bounces that I get in the market, unless you get an absolute stellar CPI number tomorrow. Unless tomorrow the CPI number comes in under 8%. Let's say CPI comes in 7.8, okay, which is expected to come in around 8.2, I believe. Let's say it comes in 7.8, and there's other areas of inflation. When you look into the different segments of CPI, they all start coming down. It looks like inflation's not sticky. And let's say I'm completely wrong about inflation being sticky. Then yes, could the SPY go right back up to 410, 415? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. Do I think that's the likely scenario? It is not. I think inflation comes in right around the expectation, which shows it's peaked. But when you look deeper into CPI components, it looks like it's sticky. And then the market sentiment turns bearish. And then we realize that the last 2-week move higher in the market was nothing more than a bear market rally, which is what I've been saying. I believe it's nothing more than a bear market rally. I've been saying that for the last 2 weeks. And then we go right back to shorting bounces, and you look for the S&P to get back under 4,000. You look for the SPY to get back into the 390s, 380s over the next couple of weeks. And then I think that the market bottoms somewhere in July to August. I think you get a bottom, and then the markets can start to bounce back in September, October, and then you finish the year with a Santa Claus rally into the end of the year, and the markets close still red on the year, but the markets close a lot higher in December than they do where the markets are currently trading. And then when you look at June, July, I think in December, the markets are significantly higher than where they are in June and July. And that's kind of my thoughts on everything. Hope that answers your question, Espen. If I'm way down on a stock, should I sell it now? Blondie, it's too general of a question. I don't know what the stock is. I don't know when you bought it. I don't know what your time horizon is. There's some stocks that you could be down on that I don't think are worth selling. Here, one stock that's, as an example, one stock that I own that I'm down on right now in my long-term portfolio is SoFi. SoFi, S-O-F-I. I'm down on SoFi significantly. I'm like scaling into the position. So it's like I'm buying my position in pieces. I want to own more of it. But that's a stock I bought because I'm holding that for the next like 5-10 years. So if that's my thought process and that's my game plan, then just because I'm down on the stock now, no, I'm not going to sell it. But that's because I believe in that stock. I believe in SoFi for the long run. I like SoFi's platform. I think they've got a great CEO and management team. They got caught between a rock and a hard place when the Biden administration kept extending the student loan moratorium. So there was all the delay of having to pay back the student loans. And that really hurts SoFi. That's like 10 to 15% of their revenue is the refinance on student loans, but it also really hurts their new customers. SoFi gets a lot of their new customers because they go after the younger earner. They go after like the millennials and the Gen Zs and everything. They go after the younger professionals, and getting refinancing student loans is a big way for them to onboard new customers. And then they then will give those people new products and new banking instruments as they get older and as they become higher earners. So that really hurts SoFi. And that has nothing to do with SoFi as a business. But there's nothing you can do when the president says, hey, you don't have to pay back your student loans. All that business kept getting pushed back because of COVID. So eventually that ends. And then I think, I'm confident that SoFi will be able to that SoFi will be able to recover and do well over the next several years. But if it's a stock, I'm sorry, I got so caught up in SoFi. But if it's a stock that you don't believe in the long term, then I would cut bait. Always have stop losses. You always got to have stop losses. If it's not a stock you believe in the long run, you got to have stop losses. You got to cut your losses when they get to a certain point. You can't just aimlessly hold on. You can't just aimlessly hold on to your position. Is the membership still the same price as last night? Is that correct? Adam, you want to maybe take this one?
Yep. So last night we ran out of laptops. We still don't have any laptops. And unfortunately, it looks like we're not going to have laptops for a while, but that's okay. We also couldn't get Kindles either. So what it is that we're going to do, last night, there was a lot of people that signed up for True Trading Group. And what it showed us last night is that you guys that are listening to us obviously care way more about saving additional money than you do receiving a laptop or a Kindle, right? So yes, we're going to extend it for one more night. So last night, what we did was, Joe, if you want to pull up the screen, we'll make this quick so we can get back into the educational part. But what we are going to do here is we are going to, I think he's going to pull it up right now. Perfect. We're going to give you guys 54% off. So you're going to be able to get True Trading Group's total inclusive annual membership for just $1,000. You're not going to get a laptop. You're not going to get, the cashback offer, but you will get the double your money back guarantee, and you will get the membership for $1,000. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a Father's Day sale starting tomorrow. I'm just letting you guys know this right now. The price will go to $1,100. Okay, it'll go to $1,100. It'll be $1,100 all weekend. And then Sunday, we'll move it back to $1,150. That's our pricing schedule. But tonight till midnight, we're going to keep it at the 1,000 mark, especially for tomorrow. I mean, how important is it that people are in chat tomorrow?
Yeah, and that's the thing. Like, so many people, jumped on last night when we moved the price to 1,000. I get it. A lot of people are price conscious and everything right now, and you guys are looking for ways to take control of your own finances and to get educated about the stuff. Tomorrow's huge. The CPI data that comes out tomorrow will either reaffirm or confirm, my thoughts about the markets due to having another leg to the downside and me leaning on this market short for the next week or two. And there's a lot of money to be made during that move, folks. I'm telling you this now, the next 1 to 2 weeks could be a windfall. If the markets do what I think they're going to do, I'm going to be all over this thing and I'm going to sink my teeth into this. I'm going to sink my teeth into them big. So, tomorrow's CPI number comes out at 8:30. So I think that, either being in chat when the mods and I will be there with you and we'll talk you through that data, but also use the mobile app. Okay. The mobile app, the mobile app is where even if you're not in front of your computer, you can on your mobile device see the screen share, listen to the audio, because the mods and I, we talk on the microphone during the day. And then you also get the real-time push notifications whenever we enter and exit trades. So if you can't be in chat, like at least be on the mobile app so you can still be listening to what it is that we're saying, because tomorrow's CPI data will dictate the way that I trade for the foreseeable future, whether it's, do we go back into a choppy consolidation? And if we do, no worries, because you're going to attend the free workshop tonight with Moment, just in case that does happen. So you're prepared the next time we go into a consolidation so we can make money during the sideways action. Or it's going to confirm that, nope, inflation is sticky as hell. The Fed's going to be super aggressive. They have to be. They have no choice. That's what I think happens. And then the markets take another leg to the downside. So we're going to get confirmation on what the market's going to do. And that's going to dictate how I trade for the next couple of weeks. And then therefore how we make money for the next couple of weeks. So tomorrow is very, very important. So
and you're going to be there at 8:30 with everyone.
Yeah, we're all going to be there. The mods, we're all going to be there at 8:30 when that CPI number comes out to walk you guys through it, tell you what we think, tell you, what our thoughts are. And then we're going to schedule and we're going to start the game plan for the rest of the day. And I'll tell you where my zones are, like where I'm looking to buy put options, where I'm looking to short, and what stocks I'm going after versus the indexes. I'm going to go after the SPY tomorrow. I'll tell you guys that. You're 100% most likely will see me make a SPY trade tomorrow, whether it's options, call options, or put options. Most likely put options if what I think happens, if I'm correct. Most likely I'll be coming on here with put options and we'll be calling out a 30 or 40% gain on puts tomorrow during the live stream. So most likely that, I think, is the scenario that we're going to get. So you guys can join us and be part of True Trading Group, get access to the platform for the whole year for just $1,000, but that's only going to be till midnight tonight. Then tomorrow we're going to start our Father's Day sale. And that's going to run for the whole weekend, and that'll be $1,100. So, there's no point in wasting the extra $100. I mean, would I love to have your extra $100? Yeah, sure. But, you guys are here on this live stream right now, you get it for $1,000 right now. And then tomorrow it'll be 1,100. And then we'll run that over the weekend. And then after Sunday, we'll move it up to 1,150. So you can save yourself $150.
And then also just to share with you guys here for a moment, if you are a trial member, we have a trial. Okay, so if you didn't want to sign up tonight and you wanted to use the trial, you could go to ttgthree.com. We have a lot of trial members that are on here with us right now, and I'll put the trial link up. But if you are a trial, the cheapest price you get as a trial is like $1,420, which is still great. It's 35% off, right? What I'm going to do for tonight is I'm going to make it so that any trial till midnight tonight can get this $1,000 price point. How do you do that? Let me show you. Here's what you do. You go to the login page to log into your trial account. You put in your name or your username, and then you would put in your password. You log in. It's going to take you to your dashboard, right? So as you can see, when you sign up for the trial, every couple days the price goes up. Okay. Normally, trial members do not get to participate in the cheaper pricing. Okay. But what we are going to do is for tonight till midnight only. All right. And I that's not a sales tactic. I promise you the price will be higher tomorrow. All right. What we're going to do is you're going to click join now. If you're a trial member, log in, you'll click the big green join now button, just like that. You'll have a coupon code on top. Ignore it. Ignore the coupon code on top. Put in TTG121, hit enter, and it will work. You will be able to save. The price will change. You put in your info and you check out. Okay. So one more time. You go ahead, you log into your trial membership, okay? You click the big green join now button, and you put in code TTG121, and you hit enter, and it will work, okay? That is how you do it. All right, guys? And if you're not a trial member, you could go right over there to ttgoffer.com, put in code TTG121. You actually have to put in the code in order for the discount to count. Okay. But yeah, tomorrow we're going to 1,100. And then on Sunday, we're going to go to 1,150 and then begin to walk it from there. Okay. That's the final answer.
And yeah, guys, just to clarify, see, there's a lot of people that are saying, you guys, it's not Father's Day. It's not Father's Day. It's not Father's Day. I know that this weekend's not Father's Day, but we're running the Father's Day sale.
Yeah, we're going to run. I'm sorry. You're going to run. Yeah, I should have specified. We're going to run it for 2 weeks.
Right. So the sale will start this weekend, and it's going to run through the Father's Day sale will run through until you get till the following weekend, which will then be Father's Day, will be on that Sunday.
Yep. And the price you pay tonight is the price you pay for life. So whatever our price is next year, you're not going to pay that. You're going to just pay this amount. So so that's it. I would strongly take advantage of that, or at the very least hop in the trial, because tomorrow is going to be kind of an exciting day.
Right. And even trial members can attend the free workshop later today.
Yes, at 6:15. Remember, the chat room opens at 6. So, and if you have any questions about the membership, if you need help signing up, if the checkout form is not working for whatever the reason, any questions, you could shoot me a text directly. I will be answering all text messages. Do not call this number because I can't answer it. You have to text it if you have any questions. 201-775-9702. Any questions about TTG membership or issues signing up, contact me. I'm standing by. And then Mike will tell you the rest about the membership. We'll get right back into the education part. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll take things through, just kind of explain to you guys what you get when you do go to the ttgoffer.com and then use the TTG121 coupon code. Just so you get an idea of just what you're getting for just $1,000, because it is all inclusive. You don't pay anything extra for anything. It's $1,000. You get everything we have. It's because you're getting the entire curriculum, which is a simplified version of what I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. It's in-depth, complex, but yet easy to understand, to implement quickly, whether you never traded a day in your life or you've been doing this for 10 years and you're looking to get an edge. The platform can help you guys reach your goals. And that's the thing. It's a platform. People ask what makes us different. it's because we are a platform. It's like our platform has courses, but you're also getting $5,000 worth of premium tools from today's top fintech companies like Benzinga with their real-time news feed, TradingView's premium charting software, Quote Media's full book level 2, CBOE's unusual options activity, Polygon's dark pool data, the Trade Ideas scanner, and ETNA simulator. All of these tools are included when you guys join True Trading Group and pay just $1,000 for tonight. But again, $1,000 is for tonight only. It'll be $1,100 after tonight going to tomorrow. So $1,000 here tonight, you guys can get access to all those things. Those tools that I just mentioned to you, if you went to the companies directly, you're going to spend about $5,000 a year to purchase all of these tools. Don't do that. We've spent years building relationships with these companies so that we could have their products on our platform for you at no additional cost. So you get access, even if you never took a single trade from any one of the moderators, even if you thought we all sucked as traders, you're still getting $5,000 worth of value in tools that successful and professional traders use for $1,000, right? And that doesn't include, obviously, me mentioning to you the entire 17 course curriculum, 300 hours of video workshops and webinars covering different topics, all of our trade alerts. We do day trading, swing trading, long-term investing. You get a full trading performance journal. You get scanners, screeners, a resource that gives you analyst ratings, and so much more. And that's all included, guys, for the $1,000. You don't ever pay another dollar for any of that. Joe, if you can actually do me a favor, bro, if you can just put up the syllabus in chat for people that want to see what they actually will learn. We're going to post a link in chat right now for anyone that's curious what you'll learn in the courses. You guys can click on that link. It'll actually give you the entire syllabus. So you'll see for yourself all the courses that are included when you pay the $1,000 and you join TTG. And when you join, you're joining a family. There's about 9,500 members in the True Trading Group family. And when you join them, guys, you're getting access to a group of helpful and educated, like-minded investors that are led by our team of full-time mods that have over 100 years of trading experience combined. And we focus on stocks, options, crypto, futures, day trade, swing trade, and we also do long-term investing, right? And results matter at True Trading Group. Results matter. Your P&L matters, okay? Not mine, not somebody on social media. Your P&L is what matters when you become part of the TTG family. And the bottom line is that members are making money and they're becoming better traders. You don't believe me? Just watch this. I'll ask a quick question. Guys, if you're a member of True Trading Group, real quickly, if you are a member, very simple question. Are you making money and becoming better traders because of True Trading Group? If the answer is yes, I want you to type the $ in chat right now. Just go ahead, type the $. If you are making money, you're becoming better traders, type the $ in chat right now. Anyone that's not a member, my advice to you is to just pay attention to how many people type the $. All these people that are typing the $, these people found True Trading Group the exact same way that you did, and that's on one of these live streams. There's no difference between them and you. They can do it, so can you. They had all the same excuses that you have. Small account, lost money before, no experience, no time, full-time job. They've got all the same excuses, but yet here they are typing the $. If they can do it, so can you. You just have to go to ttgoffer.com right now, enter TTG121 coupon code, click apply code. It'll give you the 54% discount for tonight only. It drops the price. Our price is normally $2,212. This brings the price all the way down to just $1,000. Okay. You're also going to get for the $1,000 everything I just mentioned to you. You're also going to get 2 private study group sessions with one of the TTG mods. This is a chance for a small group setting for you to get individualized attention so you can ask questions, go over topics so we can speed up that learning curve so you guys can, get the help you need when you need it. And we also put our money where our mouth is at True Trading Group, folks. You won't find a single other group or service out there that's going to offer you this. And you got to ask yourselves why that is. Any person that joins True Trading Group, I'm telling you here right now, you have 1 year to go through our courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one study group. You have 1 year to do that. If you do not make the $1,000 back, okay, that's your membership fee. Okay, if you do not make the $1,000 back after that year, after completing the courses, the quizzes, and attending one study group, I will give you double your money back. I'm dead serious. You'll give us $1,000. We'll give you $2,000 back in return. That is how confident we are in our ability to help you become successful. We have only had to refund 2.48% of our user base since 2016. I share that number with you, not just to prove how infrequently we get a refund request, but also to prove to you that refund is real. We've never denied anyone of a refund that came to us and said, hey guys, I did the courses, I passed the quizzes, I attended a study group, I never made back that membership fee. We've never denied anyone that refund that asked for it. And I can do this and I can offer you this double your money back guarantee with a smile on my face because we have a retention rate of 78%, which means 78% of our members are choosing to either renew their membership and stay members of True Trading Group after their year is completed, or upgrade to become a lifetime member of True Trading Group. About 31% of our entire user base are lifetime members of True Trading Group. That tells you a lot.
You want to see something cool?
Sure, I love seeing cool stuff.
You know how we've been consistently saying roughly about 9,500, roughly about 9,500?
Now it's 9,500 exactly.
Hang on, I'm going to show you. Hang on one second. There we go. 9,508.
There it is. 9,508 TTG fan.
In the past year, we have had 4,521 people sign up.
Wow.
It's kind of crazy, right?
Yeah.
That's not in 2022 alone. That's in the past 12 months from today.
The rolling 12-month period. Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty wild.
Yeah. It's a lot of people.
Guys, when we started this YouTube channel, we had less than 300 people.
Yeah.
So, and then also for those that don't know, we are 5-star rated on Trustpilot. 93% of all of the reviews, we have 1,642 reviews, right? 93% of those reviews are 5-star. 3% are 4-star, 2% are 3-star, and the rest are null.
Yeah, less than 1% are 1-star.
Yeah. So yeah. You know, pretty crazy. So and then yeah.
Okay.
We're also I was just looking at this today. I was like, we've really come a long way.
Yeah.
We are number 4 out of 27 of the best companies in the category for educational center. And we are number 29 out of 135 companies in the category for educational institution.
There you go. Number 4. That's incredible. That is incredible, guys. All right. So there you guys have it. Okay. So yes, I see someone's asking questions about the double your money back guarantee. Yes, it's on the $1,000. So the deal is that you'll pay $1,000 to join True Trading Group's platform now. You don't pay another $1. Like there's no upcharges, there's no upsells for courses or tools. You pay the $1,000, you get access to literally everything that I just said, everything I just showed you. That's it. You get access to that for just the $1,000. And then I'm telling you, as long as you go through the courses, the quizzes, and attend a study group, if you do not make the $1,000 back at least once during that 1-year membership, I'm going to give you $2,000 back. That's how that works. Okay. That's how we hold ourselves accountable to you. And that double your money back guarantee is there to protect you. Now, chances are that you're not going to need it, considering we've only had to refund 2.48% of our members, but it's there to protect you in case you do. All right. So again, you just got to go to ttgoffer.com and then use the code TTG121 to get that $1,000 price point. All right, guys. And again, if you have questions, if anybody has questions, you guys have questions about the membership or you're having a hard time signing up, you just send a text message to 201-775-9702, 201-775-9702. That number is right there on the bottom of your screen. Okay. And guys, don't call that number, text that number. Do not call that number, text that number. All right.
All right, go teach them something before we get accused of only being an infomercial.
Yeah.
Again.
An edumercial.
An edumercial. Guys, this is the best edumercial you'll ever see.
Yes. All right. So let's roll. Let's get things. Let's get going. Let's get over to the overall markets. What I would like to do here first, we'll recap where I made my big money today, and that was in Tesla. Okay. Oddly enough, I actually made my money long in Tesla today. With Tesla had back and forth news. So Tesla had good news in the morning, bad news in the afternoon. So the stock went up and the stock went down. But we made our money in the morning. And I want to just go over kind of a technical setup with you guys regarding Tesla to show you guys, how it was that we were able to make money. And this is a very strong V bottom. And I love seeing patterns like this. And this is something that you should all be conscious of. Okay, when you see such a clear V bottom like this, you see this V shape in Tesla. This is what I saw in Tesla. And at this exact moment, I came on the microphone. I told my entire TC family that I'm going to be a buyer of Tesla in the mid 740s. Okay, I said I'm going to buy Tesla in the mid 740s. I love this kind of, and don't forget, Tesla had good news this morning. They delivered 33, or they made 33,000 electric vehicles out of their China plant just 1 month after being open, because remember, they were shut down in April because of COVID. So then in the month of May, they were actually able to exceed the production estimates, and they actually made 33,000 vehicles in the China plant, which is just phenomenal. To just, your entire factory is closed and then it reopens and you just bang that number out in 1 month is quite incredible. So that was the news. So you had good news kind of going on in your favor, and then you get this V bottom. But the other thing I want to point out to you is the trade line. This is the 9 exponential moving average. Okay. And we V bottomed right at that trade line, and you went right from the pullback to the low of the day, right back up to the high of the day. And I call this a new low, new high. New low, new high is when a stock goes from the low of the day right up to the high of the day. And I consider that a bullish chart pattern and a bullish chart setup. And you'll see that you got that little moment of consolidation. And right there, when we got the pullback, I told everybody, remember, right here, this is what the chart looked like, I told everybody in chat that I'm going to step in. I'm a buyer in the mid 740s. True or false? My TTG fan, true or false? Did I not say, come on the mic at this exact moment and tell you all I'm buying Tesla in the mid 740s? Then the very next 3-minute candle, we get our pullback into the mid 740s. And what do? We step in and we get long 744 and 80 something cents. I forgot the exact value. 744, like 87. I think 744.86, I believe was my fill on Tesla, and that's right there where I got long. Anytime I trade a large cap stock, I'll always give members an option that coincides with the with my trade. So I know I did the stock. I know a lot of people don't have the capital to trade shares of Tesla, so I always will alert people to an actual option they can follow along. I gave them the 6/17, the June 17th expiration, the $750 strike call option. And at the time, the option was like $29. Okay. Like $29. And then all of a sudden, for the next hour or so, you get an explosion to the upside. Okay. Beautiful explosion to the upside. Oh, we got to welcome Trom. Trom, welcome to the TTG fam. Everybody, welcome Trom. Smart. You are a smart human being. Taking advantage of the $1,000 price point before it jumps to $1,100 tomorrow. Remember, that price is going to go up there again, guys. You want to jump on that 1,000 before the price goes up again. All right. Way to go. Welcome, Trom. Everybody, welcome, Trom. All right. And then you guys see we get that beautiful extension move to the upside, and we just start ripping profits off the table. We're just ripping profits off the table on Tesla as the stock just makes its move. So this is where I made a huge chunk of my money today. Also made some money on AERC. Okay. But you guys can see there, that is where we're able to make our money. And again, I want you to recognize this. Really, the lesson here, guys, is this V-shaped pattern. Okay. Where you go to a fresh new low of the day, right to the high of the day. I consider that new low, new high, and that's a sign of strength. And you got that there with Tesla, and then you got beautiful follow through. Everybody, welcome Daniel. Daniel's the newest member of the fam. Welcome, Daniel. Glad to have you on board. Can't wait to be in chat with you guys. Okay. You're seizing the opportunity. I love it. Every single one of you that are investing in yourself right now, Daniel, Trom, you guys are investing in yourself. There's so many people on this live stream that would literally just throw $1,000 into some garbage dollar penny stock that someone on Reddit or in a Discord room told them to buy. You would do that without even blinking an eye. But you're talking about investing in a platform that can actually give you the education and the tools needed to improve your chances of success. People hesitate. Congratulations, Daniel and Trom, for taking control of the situation yourself and investing in yourself. Remember that W money back guarantee is there to protect you if you need it, but I don't think you're going to. So there you guys have that. Everybody welcome Daniel. Okay, so that's Tesla. So remember that pattern. That's something you guys can use in your trading as early as tomorrow. And the same applies to the opposite way. I call a new high, new low. That's the exact same thing. Just flip that pattern upside down. And again, if you get a V, if you get an upside down V, okay, same thing applies, but then it'll just be to the downside, to the short side. Okay. So they have that. So that's where we made the money there today on Tesla. Also, guys, what I would like to do, well, let me talk to you about the SPY first. Everybody, welcome Stephen. Stephen, welcome to the TTG fam. Everybody, welcome Stephen, the newest member of the TTG fam. You guys are making really good decisions. I like this. I like where your future is headed. You guys are making good decisions. Good decisions lead to good things. Congrats, guys. Welcome to the TTG family. We're glad to have you guys on board. Glad to have you guys on board. All right. Okay, guys. So now the SPY. Let's talk about the SPY. Okay, let's go over the SPY here now real quick because tomorrow is going to be huge. All right. Tomorrow morning, CPI number 8:30 a.m. Eastern. The mods and I will be in chat. We're going to be going over this CPI print. Okay. We're going to be going over this CPI print with you guys. This is going to be huge. Okay. This is going to be huge. This is going to dictate literally how I'm going to trade this market for the next couple of weeks. And it's going to dictate, if I'm correct, we're getting another leg to the downside. You better get your shopping list ready. You better get cashed up. And we're going to get cashed up on the way down by trading it on the way down. Because when that dust settles, I'm telling you, that window of opportunity is going to be staring you right in the face. It's going to be up to you to pull the trigger to act on it. I'm going to. All I can do is tell you what I do with my own capital and what I do with my own money. And I'm going to tell you exactly when the moment comes that I add to my long-term portfolio. I've already started adding. I bought 9 different stocks. I got more stocks than I'm going to be buying. Not to mention I'm going to add to the 9 that I already bought, but I've got another list of stocks that I have not bought yet that I'm going to. I'm going to tell you exactly when that time comes. I'm going to tell you exactly the prices and when I'm buying, the day I'm buying, the stocks I'm buying. It's up to you. I can't tell you guys what to do with your money. I can just tell you what I'm doing with mine, but I'll let you know when that moment comes. And that window of opportunity, it's here. It's here. It's within the next couple of weeks to a month or so, is really where I think that window of opportunity settles. And we're going to show you guys how to identify these opportunities on your own so you can do this now moving forward for the rest of your lives. Right? I don't want you guys to have to rely on me or to rely on any one of the 8 pro moderators in True Trading Group. I want you to be able to have the education to identify opportunities on your own and then also have the confidence to pull the trigger on those opportunities on your own and not hesitate. A lot of people, I'm sure every single one of you on this live stream right now, a lot of times when you think you see something, you hesitate. You look at a chart, you're like, oh, this stock's going to go higher. But you hesitate. Why do you hesitate? You hesitate because you are unsure of your own analysis. You don't trust your own analysis. And that's a lack of education. It's no different than when you take a college exam. If you know the material like the back of your hand, you fly through the exam, you answer the questions, you hand it in, you don't even think about it. You don't second guess your answer. You're not, oh, wait, maybe it's C, and you erase it. And then, oh, wait, but maybe it's B, and then you erase it. You go through that whole process when you're unsure about the answer. When you know the material, you fly through. When you know the material as a trader, when you see an opportunity, you act on it, you strike, you fire. It's when you're not sure, that's when you second guess yourself. And that all comes back to confidence, and your lack of confidence stems from a lack of education. That's what we're going to solve for you. All right. So welcome all of you that are joining the TTG fam. Again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code, just $1,000. Okay. That's it for the whole year. You get everything that I said to you guys there before. And don't forget, trial members you can also kind of join us. If you guys want to do a trial, it's 7 days for free. The weekend does not count against your 7 days. So it's just 7 full days of trading. Okay, the weekends don't count. Holidays don't count. You get a full 7 days. You go to ttgthree.com and you guys can join us for a full 7 trading days. Also, don't forget, even trial members will have access to our study group later today. So we got a study group coming on later today with Moment. He's going to show you guys how to trade options to make money when the market's going sideways. Trial members can also attend that workshop. It's free. No credit card required, your name and email. That's it. Sign up for the trial, go into the chat, okay, at 6:15, attend the workshop with Moment, and then tomorrow morning, you'll be in chat with us as a trial member for the CPI data. Okay, so again, that's ttgthree.com if you guys want to join our free trial. Amy said, screw the trial. I'm ready to do this. Great decision, Amy. Welcome to the family. Everybody, welcome Amy, the newest member of the TTG fam. Way to go, Amy. Welcome. I look forward to trading with you. All right. So there you guys have that. All right, so now getting back to the SPY. Okay, now getting back to the SPY, let's talk about what happened today. Now, you guys know, if you've been watching my live streams for the last week, you'll know I've been telling you guys that we're going to break 407. I've been saying it the entire time that we were consolidating inside of this channel. And here was your channel. There it was. Okay, there is your channel. Now, a lot of people thought that, oh no, we're going to move higher. We're going to move higher. I told you that I've been thinking for a while that we're going to break underneath this channel. And now we did decisively today. High volume day. We had like a 10-to-1 sell volume versus long volume today on the New York Stock Exchange. So a decisive sell-off. A lot of algos got triggered. Once you broke 40.50 on the S&P, a lot of algorithms kicked in, 40.80, 40.70. Once that level broke on the S&P, you had algorithm sell programs kicked in. Let me just refresh my screen. You had a bunch of sell programs kicked in, and that just took the markets to the downside. You had big volume, and that just took the market straight to the downside. Now that we are beneath this level, okay, everybody welcome Philip. Philip is the newest member of the fam. Welcome, Philip. I'm glad to have you part of the team, guys. Welcome, Philip. Again, guys, the $1,000 price point is good till midnight tonight. Then we'll start our Father's Day sale. Tomorrow, we'll run it all weekend. We'll run it through till until actual Father's Day, and we're going to set that price at $1,100. But and I shouldn't even be telling you guys that, but at least now you know. So if you guys wanted to join TTG, you can save yourself the extra $100. You can get it for $1,000 tonight. So welcome, Philip. All right. So now that we are below this level, now you look for this level to become resistance. Now, depending on your CPI number tomorrow, which I believe is going to show inflation's peaked, but it's sticky. That still means the Fed's going to be aggressive. I would look for any bounce back to 407 on the SPY. Look for it to become resistance. I will buy put options on any bounce attempt if that CPI number does show me exactly what I anticipate it's going to show. I'll be looking to short bounces. The next area of meaningful support that I see in the SPY is around 397.50. Once you get to 397.50, underneath that, you're talking about getting down into the high 380s, and then it's the major support zone that is the high to mid 380s, and that's going to be your yearly lows, which is the May support zone. The May support zone is going to be a huge level of support, but I believe that May support zone gets tested between June and July. Okay, I believe we test that between June and July. All right. So again, guys, I'm looking now. If everything goes as planned tomorrow, I am bearish. I'm leaning bearish. I'm looking for put option opportunities. If you don't know how to trade put options, don't worry about it. I'll teach you guys how to do that. Do you trade or just provide education? Wow. Yes, no, I actually do trade. It's myself and 8 other professional traders. We all trade live in chat with our entire THD fam during the day. We share our screen with you, so you see exactly what myself and the 8 other professional traders see. And then I'm also on the microphone telling you what I do. So to answer your question, my THD fam, I'll let you guys kind of answer this question for me. Do I or do I not? True or false? Do I or do I not come on the microphone and literally tell you exactly what I'm going to do before I even do it? Just say true or false. And then you'll get a notification once my order actually executes. FTH, once my order executes, you get the notification in chat. Well, when any of the mods orders execute, you get the notification in chat that shows you the exact entry price, just so you confirm the fill and the execution. And that's going to be how we go about trading. We're fully transparent inside True Trading. We actually keep an entire trading journal on our website where every single one of our moderators, our trading activity is loaded into this journal every single day. And it shows you every single order that all of our mods place throughout a trading day. So every single buy order, every single sell order, every single stop loss, every single order that gets executed during the trading session, gets loaded into this journal with notes and everything, like the notes that the moderators have on it, so you guys can see for yourself, what it is, the wins, the losses, the break evens, they're all there for you guys to see. We're fully transparent inside True Trading Group. It's just that there are too many dodgy gurus out there. I wasn't being cheesy. Nah, no worries, man. Listen, FTH, I know I'm not taking any disrespect to it whatsoever. You're right. You should be weary of anybody that comes on and tries to educate you guys. My advice to you is that whenever you're going to take guidance or education from somebody, make sure you understand their background. So you understand the education, the information that you're getting access to. There's a lot of people out there that like you said, are dodgy gurus that actually don't know their ass from their elbow. I've actually seen somebody on YouTube before try to give like an educational lesson that actually didn't know how to use Fibonacci levels properly. Like they were showing Fibonacci levels, and I'm like, wow, that person actually is using Fibonacci's wrong. I'm like, wow. So there's a lot of people out there that don't know their ass from their elbow, but they're just really good marketers. And they spend a ridiculous amount of money on marketing. So that's not us. True Trading Group does not spend a boatload on marketing. Our marketing are these live streams, and that we sell memberships on these live streams. True Trading Group is a business. We have like 26 now, Adam, 25 employees of True Trading Group now, 26. So True Trading Group employs 26 people, guys. We are a business. So yes, obviously we do sell memberships, but we do that on these live streams, and we mix in a little bit of sales on the live stream with some really good quality education and analysis. And we do it every single day here on these live streams. You want us to be a business. You don't want us to treat you like a charity, right? You don't want us to treat you as a charity. You want, if you're going to pay for a service, you want us to be held accountable for that. And that's why we offer you all those tools. That's why we offer you the double your money back guarantee. That's why we do things the way that we do, because you want us to be held accountable for the money that you are paying.
Yeah. And honestly, you don't even have the highest win rate out of all the mods.
Right.
So, Madison Square Garden is calling me as a spam call. No, but it's on the screen if you want to tell them about the trading history. You've already told them that, haven't you?
Yes.
Yeah. So collectively, we have an 81.30% win rate. Pretty good. And then I showed already that
pretty good.
Yep. Not too shabby. And then I'm making sure to zoom in so I don't show everyone your long-term portfolio underneath, because that should only be for members.
Well, you have to clarify something, Adam, with that long-term portfolio. That is just the 9 stocks that I've added. That is.
I know. I don't want to, but let them sign up for that.
No, I know, but
members paid to be in that.
No, I know. I'm just saying. I just want to clarify for members also that are on this live stream right now that I just want to make sure that everyone knows those are the 9 stocks that I just added recently in my long-term portfolio back in May.
Yeah, that's fine.
And we're going to update that list as I continue.
Joe G says, I am out most of the time and not in front of the computer. Can I still utilize TTG platform and make gains with just a smartphone?
We actually, one of our mods.
Wait, please. Joe G. This person right here with a 95.63% win rate only uses his iPhone.
Yeah, we have we literally have a moderator that literally trades from his cell phone. Literally trades from his cell phone.
And then on top of that, a lot of people think that you can't do this with a full-time job. I'll let Mike ask that question.
Yeah, I was going to ask our members too, because a lot of our members that have full-time jobs, they also trade from their cell phones. And just because you have a full-time job, you say, I can't be in front of my computer. It's a very common misconception to think that you can't, be successful with this just because you work a full-time job. The majority of our members do have full-time jobs, and that's where that mobile app is so important. So if you can trade from your smartphone, Joe, the other thing is that we're not scalpers. So let me make myself very clear. We're not scalpers inside True Trading Group. So if you're on your cell phone, it's physically impossible for you to be a scalper. What's a scalper? Someone that's going to get in and out of trades within seconds to minutes. If you're working a full-time job and you're trading from your phone, it is physically impossible for you to be a scalper. Just because you see somebody on Reddit or on Twitter or on YouTube or on an ad somewhere that's like, oh, look, I made $20,000 today. That's great. Now, maybe that person is a fantastic scalper. They could be a great scalper, but that's never going to work for you because they're in and out of a trade within 60 seconds. You physically can't do that. Okay. You have to find a trading style and strategy that's going to work for you. And that's going to be based on your personality traits and
not without iPhone 14. No, I'm just kidding.
No, it's going to be based on that and your work schedule, right? So the reason why there's 9 traders into a trading group, there's myself plus 8 other professional traders, is because we all have different styles and strategies. And it's important for people to get exposure to different styles and strategies so you can try to figure out which style works best for you. And that's something that we focus very, very greatly on in True Trading Group, is helping people find their trader identity. What type of trader are they and what strategy is going to be best for them? Okay. A lot of traders will spend 2 or 3 years and tens of thousands of dollars trying to fit a square peg into a round hole and not understanding why it's not working, because you might be trying to implement a style that is just never going to work for you based on those different factors I just mentioned. Okay. So a lot of our members work full-time jobs. That mobile app allows them to do so. Let me prove this to you, Joe. Guys, my TC fam, real quick, if you're a member of True Trading Group and you have a full-time job, but you're still making money with True Trading Group, just type the number 1 and tell me what you do for a living. So literally just type the number 1 and tell me what you do for a living. Okay. Tell me what you do for a living. All right. So anybody, you guys can just fire away. You guys can just, I would say, Joe, I would just say, pay attention to some of the comments that you see come through. See if maybe you even see your own profession. So here you go. Karina, wedding planner, film business, school janitor, a truck driver, director of sales, engineer. Here you go. JB. Hey, Joe, I'm an engineer. I made $675 on Tuesday and $750 today while working full-time and trading from my phone. There you go. Roxanne's a manager. Dave's a bartender. RG's a firefighter. Sales for a distribution center is old lady in training. Agricultural buyer. Restoration contractor. A full-time mod and software tester. An appraiser. A nurse. Medical business. Yes, Sherry. Yes. Sherry became a full-time trader. Sherry was not always a full-time trader, but after joining True Trading Group, Sherry has now become a full-time trader. Congratulations, Sherry. I'm super proud of you.
And not to put anyone on blast, but Joan C is friends with Sherry, possibly on the live stream right now. We're all hoping that you sign up tonight. Just want to put that
Joan, don't let Sherry down. But there you guys can see. You guys can see. You guys can see the the comments from people in chat. I don't need to keep reading them all. You guys get the hint. Joe, I hope this helps answer your question, brother, and anybody else. And FTH, I know you had some questions and had some doubts, and rightfully so, guys. I don't fault anybody for being pessimistic. I can probably say that 99% of TGD members were probably pessimistic at some point, and now their only regret is that they didn't join sooner. And I'll finish this kind of with that question as well. My TGD fam, do me a favor. If at first you were pessimistic, now your only regret is you wish you joined sooner. Type the number 1 in chat right now. If you were pessimistic at first, now your only regret is you wish you joined sooner. I'd like for you to type the number 1 in chat right now. And FTH, this is really kind of more for you. And I'm not picking on you, man. I'm really not. I totally respect the hesitation, and it's deserving, because this industry sucks. This industry of like online trading education, it's full of scammers. You should be cautious. You should be skeptical. But listen, that's why we have the 7-day trial. That's why you have the double your money back guarantee. These are all the things that separate True Trading Group from all the rest and for make us different, right? And you can see all the members that are typing the number 1 in chat, which is literally all of these people that are literally telling you, hey, I was skeptical when before I joined True Trading Group. And
our earliest troll is now a lifetime member.
Chris, right? You're talking about Chris? Chris Bossett.
This guy was our earliest troll.
I used to hate Chris. Chris, I love you now, brother, but I used to hate you.
But you know what? I love Chris today.
I love Chris. But Chris used to come on every live stream, and all he would do he would just talk shit to me. Every single live stream. He would literally just poke me. And I'm like, man, this guy is such an ass. But I was like, Chris, just join, man. Like, just join, and then tell me then I'm full of crap. Tell me I'm full of crap. Join and then tell me I'm full of it.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's like, yeah, he was one of our code words once. Oh, let's do the code word real quick. So
yes, do the code word. Do the code word. Sorry, guys, let's do the code word.
Let me just set it up right quick. This is number 2 of 18. I want to get the spelling right, so I'm typing it into Google.
Okay.
All right, sorry. Got it. Tonight's code word is advantageous.
You had to Google advantageous.
I didn't go to college. Still became a multimillionaire in my early 30s, but whatever. Advantageous. Code word 2 of 18.
Oh man.
Code word 2 or 18. Yo, Mike, remember I told you that I was on Meet Kevin's live stream?
Yes, I got Adam J. I just saw his comment.
You saw it. I told you that works.
I knew you were going to say that.
I told you.
Yeah.
All right, that's all I got to say.
That's good.
All right.
Okay, so getting and guys, this code word, if you're not a member, don't worry about this code word. Okay, don't worry about that code word if you're not a member.
Every 2 to 3 weeks we give out that's wrong. Advantageous? It's not wrong. Somebody says it's wrong. I better Google it again. Just Googled it. It can't be wrong. Whatever. You know the word I'm trying to say if it is. Regardless of that, every 2 to 3 weeks we give out $1,000 to 5 True Trading Group members. Every 2 to 3 weeks. Is it wrong, Mike?
No, that's right.
What? All right, so Mike Constant.
I think they're wrong. I think they think there's no E, but there's an E in advantageous.
I Googled it.
There's an E. That's a common word that a lot of people think there's no E. There's an E in advantageous.
Right. No, that's why I was looking it up. So, and then also tomorrow we're giving away $5,000. So that's tomorrow in chat for the previous giveaway.
Yeah.
So
yes,
we don't spend a lot of money on marketing, but what we save on marketing, instead of just putting it in our pocket, we give a lot back to our members. They help us grow. They're on here every night. They support us the way that we support them. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So we do a lot of fun stuff with our members, guys. We do a lot of fun stuff with our members. We also have we've got a lifetime membership that we're actually getting rid of. We have a couple of spots still available for it, and once those spots fill
very few. A lot of people signed up today for it.
Yeah, so we're almost finished with it. But when we're done with it, we're doing a $50,000 giveaway. So we're actually going to give $10,000 to 5 members to celebrate the end of the lifetime membership. So I'm really excited about that. But these are just things that we do. We like to give back to our members. We like to include our member. When we say welcome to the family, we really do mean it. And we want you guys to feel as that this is as much your platform as it is Adam and ours, because it is. You know, we include you guys in a lot of the business decisions, and you know, I want to give back to you. It's like a dividend. It's a dividend. Like, you know, it's like when you buy shares of Chevron, you get a dividend. When you guys become members of True Training Group, this is
There's a lot of benefit that goes well above and beyond just the you know, just the initial membership. So.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, continue.
Yeah, so let me keep going. So there's that. So that's it. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's the SPY. So I'm looking literally, if there's a bounce back to 407, I'm getting put options. I'm looking for a move to 397.50. Okay, 397.50 is going to be where we're looking for, and then maybe get a little bit of bounce from there, and you can probably reload that position, and you look for maybe a couple, you know, multiple days of downside into the, you know, down to 390, 388, and that's where I would really look for you to get your move to. I think you see the markets, you know, deteriorate, and we get underneath 390, and we're going to ride that wave, folks. And I can't wait. I'm damn happy for it. Shane's happy for it and excited for it too. Welcome, Shane, to the TG fam, brother. I love it. The fam gets bigger here today. Welcome, Shane. Guys, remember, it's only $1,000 for tonight. It's a 54% discount. Tomorrow it's $1,100, and then that's going to be our Father's Day sale. We'll run that for 2 weeks. Save yourself the extra $100. Go to ttgoffer.com right now. TTG121 coupon code. You have till midnight tonight to take advantage of the $1,000 price point. So head on over there. All right. So that's kind of the game plan with the SPY. But again, at 8:30, I'll be live with you guys. Remember, the CPI data could change this. Okay. If I'm wrong about the CPI data and it comes in different and I have to change my game plan, I'll tell you. And that's why 8:30 tomorrow morning, I'm going to be in the chat. The mods will be in the chat when the number comes out. And I'll tell you guys if I'm changing my game plan. All right. I'll tell you if my game plan changes. But for now, that's what I'm doing. Okay. That's going to be the plan. All right. So that's it, folks. There you have it. Good stuff. Great day. Great day. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. Big day tomorrow. So make sure you guys get your butts in chat or get on the mobile app, because that'll dictate how we're going to trade going forward. Okay. So that's it there, folks. What I'm going to do here now, what I would like to do is for everyone that's if you're still on the live stream, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually show you the platform that is True Trading Group. Okay. I'm going to show you the tools. I'll show you the resources for those of you that are still interested in joining. All right. Because remember, when you join, you get access to everything that we have. Okay. Of course, you're getting our chat room. This is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the microphone from pre-market till after hours. We're not gone after 2 hours, and then you're left to just fend for yourself. The mods and I are there with you full time, all day, every day, giving you trades, giving you market commentary analysis, and giving you our opinions and answering questions. You can also use the mobile app. That lets you see the screen share, listen to the analysis, get real-time notifications when the mods enter and exit trades. That's how you're able to benefit even while you guys are working full-time jobs. You also get 2 private study groups. Remember, we have a study group at 6:15 today, immediately following this live stream, where Momin El-Sadi, who is one of our pro option traders, is going to discuss with you some advanced option strategies so you can learn how to make money when a stock goes sideways. Okay, it's free. Members and trial members alike can attend that private study group. You're also going to get access to the Benzinga Pro newsfeed. This is a live breaking up to the second news alerts right inside of chat. If you went to Benzinga on your own directly, you're spending $1,400 a year to have access to this. Don't do that. It's free with your membership to True Trading Group when you pay just $1,000. TradingView's premium charting software is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by traders. It costs a few $100 a year. Don't pay that. It's free with your membership when you join True Trading Group for just $1,000. The Trade Ideas scanner is the industry standard scanner to make sure you're always focused on the best stocks during the day. It'll cost you a few $100 a year. Don't do that. It's free with your membership to True Trading Group. You also get to use ETNA's simulator. The simulator is available to you for the entire length of your membership. It's not just there for 90 days. You can trade stocks and options with fake money, but with real-time data. So you can practice implementing what you're learning in the courses. You can prove to yourself that you can make money on the simulator before you start risking your hard-earned cash. This simulator would cost you, okay, just south of $1,000 a year. Don't do that. It's free with your membership when you join True Trading Group. It is also used at universities like Cal State Fullerton, Berkeley Haas, and Illinois Tech across the country, guys. So this is the same simulator that they use. You have access to it as a member at TTG. Folks, the chat room is now open for members. If you guys want to head on into the chat room to get ready for Momin's workshop, the chat room is now open. You'll also get access to our proprietary scanner, which has the same functionality as FinViz Elite for those that are familiar, but also will let you scan for crypto. You get dark pool data and unusual options activity as a member of the fam. This is information that used to only be available to professionals. Now it's in the fingertips of our TTG fam. This is how you guys can make better decisions. This is how we level the playing field for you. You're also going to get a full trading performance journal that tracks all of your trading and gives you statistics. You can see what you're doing wrong so we can make adjustments. A social sentiment scanner will scour through Reddit, StockTwits, and Twitter and tell you what ticker symbols are being mentioned most so you can stay ahead of the crowd. Unlimited analyst ratings. Any stock you are interested in, you will get a report that will show you how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on that particular stock. And that can really be useful when you're trying to make your investing and trading decisions. Every day, the mods publish a watch list with a game plan, okay, where we show you what stocks we have our eyes on, and more importantly, how we plan on trading those stocks. You're also going to get access to our courses. The courses are a simplified yet expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. There's beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it. We've got it in text and video, whatever is easier for you to learn. Then we've got a video library that has nearly 300 hours of additional educational video content. These are workshops and webinars like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO, just to name a few. And then you guys could attend all these workshops live when you become a full-time member. Folks, it's time you invested in something real. It's time you invested in yourself. I can't promise, I can't guarantee that you will be successful. I can't promise you that, but I can promise you a real chance at developing the skills needed to be a profitable trader, as long as you are willing to put in a little bit of effort. And I can guarantee you double your money back if you fail to make your $1,000 membership fee back even once during your year membership. I'm not saying you have 30 days to do all of those things. Otherwise, there's no more money back guarantee. You can come to us on day 364 and say, Mike, I did the courses, quizzes, and the study group. I never made my $1,000 back. I'm going to say, well, John, I'm sorry our platform did not work for you. Here's $2,000. Sorry for wasting your time. I wish we could have helped you out more. That's how we hold ourselves accountable to you, and that's how we protect you. It's time you guys invest in something real. You guys can get a 54% discount right here tonight, this evening, but it's over at midnight. Okay, it's over at midnight. Then we're going to move on to our Father's Day sale, and we're going to start the price at $1,100, and then we'll slowly walk that price up till you get to the Father's Day. Now, if you're a trial member and you want to take advantage of the $1,000 price point, which would behoove all of you, because if you're a trial member, the cheapest price you can join is for $1,420. So you're talking about saving yourself $420, which I don't care how well you do. That's a lot of money. If you're a trial member and you want this deal as well, we'll extend this to trial members. But you have to first log into your trial member dashboard. Adam, can you pull up the screen? Actually, we'll see if I want to just show them. Okay, so if you're already a trial member, go to your trial member dashboard. You have to log into your trial member dashboard. Then click that big green join now button. And then enter TTG121. And then you'll get the $1,000 price point as well if you are a current trial member. Okay, that's if you're a current trial member. All right, this will not work beyond midnight tonight. So if you're a trial member and you're thinking about joining, you have till midnight tonight to get the $1,000 price point. Otherwise, you're paying over $1,400. That's if you are a current trial member. Okay. And if you're not a trial member yet and you maybe want to be, you can go to ttgthree.com. It's totally free, no credit card required, just name and email. You can go attend the study group that we have this evening. You can be in chat with us tomorrow for CPI. You can trade with us for a full 7 days, use our tools, see what it's like to be part of the TTG family. Then decide if the program and the platform is right for you. Thanks for joining me tonight, folks. I will see you guys all later. You guys are the best. I hope you guys enjoyed this live. I hope it's helpful. I hope it's useful. I'll see you guys all in chat. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. Turn on your notifications. Don't ever miss out on these lives. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you guys all later. Don't forget the town hall meeting at 8:30. It'll be in the chat room. Adam and I have another major announcement